Let's make tacos al pastor. Start with a 4-pound pork shoulder. It's probably gonna say pork butt in the store, but this is what you're looking for. Make sure you're cutting your meat thin and evenly. We wanna do about 1/2-inch cut. Let's work on our marinade. In a bowl, combine some Achiote Paste, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, cumin, salt, smoked paprika, chipotles, and adobo, about 1/2 cup of vinegar, and then you're gonna wanna add in 1 cup of pineapple juice. Make sure you mix this up really good. You might have to get in there with your hands and break up some of that Achiote Paste just to get it nice and smooth. And then we're gonna pour all of that on top of the pork that we just sliced up really thin, nice and thin. It's gonna be good, I promise. Look at that, look at that pork. Make sure you're giving it a good mix. You want it all to be evenly coated. Let this marinate for about 2 hours. 2 hours turned to overnight, but we knew this was gonna happen. Now we're about to start stacking everything up. So we gotta cut the pineapple, cut the bottom and the top off, and then all the sides, and then you're gonna wanna slice some thin slices just to put at the bottom and the top of your stack. Just like this, check me out. So you gotta put in these little sticks in there. I had only 1 stick, but it was kind of falling over, so I added 3. Honestly, this was not the best method, and I think you can do better. Just get some thicker skewers, and then it'll probably work better. And cut your pineapples a little thinner than I did, because that had it falling all over the place. Now we're gonna toss this in the oven at 350 for about 2 hours. This fell over like 13 times. Make sure before you pull it out the oven, you're getting this nice smoky red color, so when you cut it, it looks something like this. I mean, juicy, flavorful. Honestly, some of the best tacos I've ever had. Look, ooh, 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 it's hot, it's hot. Oh, oh. Suck it. We finna put this together, hold on. Then you're just gonna start building your taco like you normally would. You know, cook your tortilla. I like my tortilla a little brown, add in the meat, and then add in some of the pineapple from the stack. Honestly, when you add that pineapple in, it gives it like a really good flavor. It's super sweet, super smoky. And of course, cilantro and onion, you know the vibes. So a lot of y'all ask why Rob eat his food like that, and truly it is a mystery to me as well. I believe he's just enjoying it because it is pretty fire, but you know, I have no answers for you.
It's pretty good. It's pizza.
Cheers.